Well, one of the things I've been doing when it's been real cold is going through and cleaning all the guns. And I got all them cleaning kits, so it makes sense to use them. But one of the things you find, I do clean really rather regularly, but a lot of times you'll find, I know this happened to a nephew the one time. You think the gun is clean, you put the gun away, and then you pull it out of the case like a month or two later, and you find rust fingerprints. Perfect fingerprint. You've got oils in your hands that are slightly acidic, and despite the fact you think you got it clean, they will show up. So what I've been using now, I'm playing around with this Ballistol because in theory, Ballistol will counteract the acids in your fingers, or your like sweat especially is bad. But that's slightly acidic, so this is slightly base. It's been around for a long time. A lot of people swear by this, and it's a lubricate, protect, preserves firearms, leather, knives, tools, locks. It's one of them all-purpose things. I can't say as I use it as a lubricant, but when I'm cleaning the guns as a final step, I will wipe them down with Ballistol. And the other thing I'm doing, when I'm putting these away, I actually bought some of these socks. They're like a nylon with a silicone coating. Got a drawstring on one end. Not very expensive. I've known a lot of people who use them. And I thought, okay, they're not that expensive. And these are a 54 inch, which is actually long enough to fit on my M96 Swede, which is a tremendously long gun. So they should fit on about anything. So when I put like this 99 now, put it in the sock, then inside the case. And hopefully that'll do it. Because you hate to see it when you got a gun you really like and you think you're treating it right. And then, like I say, you pull out and you find little surface rust from fingerprints. But that's the theory. Ballistol will counteract that. I do know people who swear by this stuff, but it's one of them Nazi things that they invented that, works for everything. So I'll final wipe down with that. Because I really, it really freaks me out when I see that. Like the nephew, it was on a, he's got a really nice Browning pump shotgun that he really liked. And he pulls it out of the case, and here's rusty fingerprints all over it. I don't like to see that. So we'll see. My understanding, and this is mostly mineral oil, but there must be something else in there. But even just the socks, because my biggest problem I have, I think I could put my guns that I carry even in the rack in the M37 here. I could put them in these to great advantage. So it keeps from just some little bruises from being moved around. Might keep the wear, because you always get bluing wear on the stock and on the barrel from just shaking in the gun rack. And also it would keep them damn mud daubers out, because in summer, if I have a gun in the gun rack, every time when I take it out, I gotta look and make sure the barrel is clear first, because those mud daubers will pour the barrel up, which could lead to disaster. So, yeah, take the time to pull it out of a sock, at least I could count on it not being plugged up, which would be a good thing. I'll take this out, shoot this today, but this I'll put in the sock in the case. Put it away for now. It ain't like I use that one that often, but like I say, it freaks out if you pull one out and then you see little rust. You know, you can get rid of that rust, but you don't want to see it on there.